In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust exposure in Pixlr quickly and easily so you can brighten a dark photo or tone down an image that looks too washed out. This is a simple but powerful edit, and once you know where to find it, you can make your photos look much more balanced in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy photo editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Pixlr Editor website in your browser. Once the editor loads, click Open Image and upload the photo you want to edit. You can choose a file from your computer and wait a moment for it to appear inside the editor. After your image is loaded, look at the top menu bar and click the Adjustment tab. This is where Pixlr keeps many of its image correction tools, including exposure, brightness, contrast, and more. From the drop-down menu, select Exposure. As soon as you click it, Pixlr will open the exposure adjustment controls for your photo. Now you'll see a slider that lets you change how light or dark the image appears. If your photo looks too dark, drag the exposure slider to the right to brighten it. If your photo is too bright or overexposed, drag the slider to the left to darken it and bring back some balance. Take your time here and watch the preview as you move the slider. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't push it too far unless you want a dramatic effect. Try to find the point where your subject looks natural and the details in the image are easier to see. If needed, you can always fine-tune it a little more until it looks right for your project. Once you're happy with the result, click Apply to lock in your changes. That will save the exposure adjustment on your image inside Pixlr, and you can continue editing or export the photo when you're finished. And that's it. You've now adjusted exposure in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more short and helpful editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.